As a support to the marriage, the parents also play an important role in helping and guiding the married couple. Welcome to NZ Vlogs. This video is about the role of parents in the life of a son and daughter-in-law for a happy family. The most beautiful gift parents can give to their child is a pious partner. When you are looking for the life partner of your child, rather than going for worldly things or apparent beauty, try to look for the real beauty of the pious girl. The beginning of a marriage is very important, therefore, we should strive to do everything to win the pleasure of Allah. The parents have to ensure the faith is the most important ingredient in the marriage of their children. Once married, the girl often begins her married life at the husband's parents' home. Many conflicts could happen. New wife finds that she is not welcomed. Sometimes, it is due to jealousy. The mother still wants to mother her son, not share him with his new wife. Sometimes, when a marriage is having problems, the best suggestion, maybe to ensure the marriage to work, is for the young couple to move out of the husband's parents' house. That is terrible advice to give, but sometimes it is the only solution. Naturally, no woman wants to move out of her husband's parents' house, not when we are told by the Holy Prophet peace be upon him that paradise lies under the feet of your mother. But sometimes, they are given no choice, because, instead of finding paradise, they find hell. I am sure, this is not what any parent wants, so we have to ensure we do not behave like this. The daughter-in-law should be treated like part of your family. Give her the help and support that she needs, treat her fairly and with love, and she will respond and be an obedient and loving daughter-in-law and a loyal and loving wife to your son. If there is a conflict or fight between husband and wife, parents are there to guide and help their children. They should not interfere in their children's marriage. Help them, advise them, but do not try to control them. The relationship between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law should be one of mutual respect and understanding. The daughter-in-law is not a slave, she should be treated like your own daughter, and likewise, she should treat her mother-in-law like her own mother. Parents want the best for their children. But, if you do not create a good Islamic atmosphere in your homes, then they may not have the faith in them, as you desire. You may be unaware of this behavior, believing that they are good believing Muslims, as this is what is being displayed in front of you. But if you arrange a marriage for them, then it is their spouse who becomes exposed to the real life of your child. They will be carrying this baggage with them into the marriage. Of course, the Holy Quran teaches, so virtuous women are those who are obedient, and guard the secrets of their husbands with Allah's protection. They will try to work hard for the marriage, and if there are problems, will try their best to resolve them. Therefore, parents need to be aware of the needs of their children and support them to make their marriage successful. These are some of the responsibilities of parents, to not only create an Islamic environment in your home, but to also help your children create good, peaceful Islamic environments in their homes. This video is only about the role of parents. Assuming if they are blessed with a pious daughter-in-law, and always remember, only your deeds represents you, here and hereafter. You have to fulfill your responsibilities.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.